Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I'm Andrew Wilkins. I'm the CEO and engineer here at Ascend Engineering. I'm just going to be giving you a quick tour around our offices. So here's our main office where we work out of. This is Zach and Andrew Yates. So they're two engineers on the team. Busy at work, about to clock out for the Monday. Here's my workspace, but let's just not focus on that. Yeah, don't get it. No, back out. So this is where we do most of our programming and our work. A lot of what we do here at Ascend Engineering is software-based, but we do have a workshop where we mess around with drones. We've covered up a little bit more of the confidential stuff, but here's where we kind of work on our edge devices that go on the computer. We work with Raspberry Pis, NVIDIA Jetsons, stuff like that. Make the drone really smarter, really an IoT device in the sky. We also have some 3D printing. We can 3D print parts for drones, such as mounts for sensors, or we even do 3D printed drones, which I was holding before. Here's another one of our versions. It's a little dirty, but it's seen some work. And then we also have a ton of components that we use to test out our devices and our clients' devices. 4G and 5G modems, propellers, ESCs, motors, gimbals, anything that you can name, we kind of have it here. And this is kind of our work spot that we solder and we're able to put stuff together with. And then we can go out and test it in the field. So the reason why we have our offices in Forest Park is because there's a lot of open space around this area. Here's one of the airfields that we test at, which is Miller Meadow Airfield. Now, we really like to come here because they have nets and they have things set up to where it's safe for everybody that's involved, especially when we're flying with new software. Here's our 3D printed drone. Now, what's cool about this is we have an area down underneath where we put our Raspberry Pi that can do onboard processing, communicate with backends and such like that. And we're just gonna take it off real quick. So that was a good flight. This thing is fun to fly around. So what's really cool about this is the potential. Having onboard computing connected to the 4G, 5G internet, be able to relay telemetry data, do onboard processing, that's where the future of drones are. And that's what we're all about here at Ascend Engineering. So drop us a line, come to our offices, you're always welcome. Thank you.